Hello, my name is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to unbox a few cross-stitch kits that were brought to me from Russia by my mom. These are very unusual kits. They are rather ornaments for Christmas tree, and they are both beaded, cross-stitch kits and kits with the beads, beaded cross-stitch kits. I also have one kit that is a brooch or a pin in the shape of the butterfly. It is made with beads. So if you're ready, let's open each one and see how they look. So let's start with a brooch, I guess, with a pin in the shape of the butterfly. It is a very unusual kit. I'm not sure if I'm actually if I'm going to be able to do that. Look how it looks. It has this pattern, I guess, different sized and shaped beads. Very beautiful. I'm not sure how to assemble this pin, so I guess I will have to ask my mom, because I'm kind of lost on how to do it, although there is an instruction. Now let's see next kits. Another kit is a beaded cross-stitch kit in the shape of the egg. This is a Christmas tree ornament, or maybe it's an Easter ornament, who knows. So this kit contains the beads, really very beautiful ones, also special shaped ones. It has the pattern, and it also has the canvas with these two things. I don't even know the name for them. I guess to shape the egg out of it. As far as I understand, you have to cut it in an oval, and this is just a regular fabric canvas. I'm not quite sure how to make an egg out of it, if you have to cut it, not sure, but there is the instructions, so I will have to read it and figure it out. The next beaded cross-stitch kit is really very weird, in the shape of the angel. I have no idea how I'm gonna make an angel out of it. I will have to ask my mom. It also contains these two things, don't even know, the soft ones, soft fabric, the canvas, and weirdly they mixed up the beads, which is super inconvenient. You know, I don't understand that the size is not that big, 2 by 2.5 inches, but still, if they could have at least, you know, sorted out the beads in different bags, because it's all mixed up. There is also a pattern on how to do it, the instructions. So these two kits are kind of complicated to me. The next kit, Christmas tree ornament, is a mixture of counted cross-stitch kit and beaded cross-stitch kit. It contains beads, special shade beads, regular seed beads, and the threads. Beautiful colors. Hopefully it will turn out well. The only thing that confuses me in this and other kits of this brand that I'm going to show you is the canvas. I was 100% sure that it would be in the shape of the circle, right, like in here, but no, these are regular rectangles as far as I understand, and this is plastic, by the way. If the previous one was the soft fabric, this one is plastic. So I'm not sure how to make the shape of a circle, whether I have to cut it after I bead stitch it, I'm not sure, but there is the instruction. I will read it, and it's not as simple as I thought in the beginning. As you can see, there are blends, not just a regular you know, full cross with these threads. I have to blend them. The next kit is a gingerbread house. The same thing, as you see, the canvas is a rectangle. Not sure how I'm going to make the shape of the gingerbread house out of it. This kit contains only the threads, no beads. What I was thinking in the beginning was to replace the threads with the beads, but now when I'm looking at the pattern, it's gonna be really hard to do that, so most likely it will be a mixture of techniques. What I'm going to do, I'm going to replace threads with beads in a few places, precisely the light in the windows, the decorations on the house, and etc. The size is 9 by 12 centimeters, pretty small. And also it has full cross, it has back stitch, it has blends. So as you see, 2 threads cross, 1 thread back stitch, 2 threads back stitch. Not as simple as I thought in the very beginning. The next kit also is a counted cross stitch kit. This one also comes with a rectangle plastic canvas, and I will have to manage to make the circles out of it. Different stitching techniques: 2 threads cross, 1 thread back stitch, 2 threads back stitch, 1 thread French knot. I don't even remember how to make French knots, and that's how it looks. Also, we'll try to replace the threads with beads in a few places. Not sure which ones. Maybe the snow, at least on the roof. Not sure yet. And the last but most difficult of all, by the way, it's the only kit that contains the needle, others didn't. It has the majority of colors, as you can see, the nutcracker, and it is really very complicated. I'm not sure I'm going to bead stitch it or cross stitch it, better to say. Most likely I will ask my mom to do it, because to me it looks super complicated, a lot of back stitch. It says Happy New Year here. I don't think I will be able to complete this one, and a lot of blends, as you can see, 6 blends. Oh, no way, I'm not doing that. And the worst thing, I don't even know what to replace with the beads. Most likely I won't be even doing it. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you soon.